Hi, we're doing our fire. Nice in here, it's not too cold. See what a nice day it is outside. Very pretty out. The blue sky. All these windows let in such a lot of light. It's a wonderful place to be. Even if I don't light my fire. Even if it is only the cardboard that's burning. That sounds like the snowplow is working away somewhere. Guess I should wear my hat. It's nice in here. I was thinking of working in here, like bringing stuff out and doing a project in here. You know, like my, what are they called? Antlers? I could bring out my stuff and I could cut antler stuff out here. See, the smoke all goes right up. It's fun to just come outside and do this. Because, you know, you stay in the house all winter long. And you never go outside because it's too cold. But here I could pretend that I have no house. Nothing. Here I am, and I found this little cabin. I was walking through the woods, freezing to death, and I found this place, and it's so wonderful because there's no wind. And for the most part, it's warm. Like, because there's no wind. And the snow is up pretty high all around it. The snow is up about that high, because it has fallen on it, and it goes down, you see? Like, this is solid snow out there. It's just steep up that high. So it's keeping all the warmth in it. It's like being in an igloo. My own igloo, and it's made out of glass instead of ice. So it's a little more sturdy. How's that doing in there? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? When two pieces light on fire, the closer they are together, then the more all the heat from this one goes to the next one, all the heat from the next one goes back to this one. So if they're farther away, the heat just goes outward, but if they're close together, the heat goes to each other and helps to burn them. Oh, I just blew it out. No, 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 say I didn't. It needs to be closer together. See, they're burning individually, but if they were closer together, the heat from one would help the heat from the other. Let's try it. Okay. We need a bellows. Something else to bellow at it, not me. Maybe I should put some more paper in there. What do you think? Paper? Of course, we have some of that. Cardboard, actually. There we go. And shall we light it up? I should light it up beforehand. Oh, my battery light is on. You know, I could do this the right way, but, well, as long as it starts, it's the right way, right? Of course, it hasn't started yet, which sort of goes to show that perhaps it isn't the right way after all. Okay, well, it's fun, isn't it? Beside this little smoky thing we call a fire. Not a fire. Goodbye.